Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this review of the Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai. This is the world's only 7-star hotel, and as you can see, I have a hot towel. I just arrived. This hot towel is more like a cold towel. It's pretty refreshing though, and we have a bottle of water. As you can see, everything is covered in pure gold, from the tables to the tissue boxes being made out of gold. This place is absolutely insane. And as you can see, there's beautiful ambiance around this place. The ceilings are well decorated, and even the lights are surrounded in gold. And just wait to see our room. You guys, it's gonna get even more sick and even better from here. We also have the escalator and the elevator, even in the restaurant. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. This is just one of the many restaurants in this hotel. It's not open right now, but as you can see, we have the bathroom, which looks even more sick to even this mirror being surrounded in gold. From what I know, there is a lot of gold here. And let's just have a look at one of the bathrooms, as you can see. Wow, you guys, just look at the feeling of this bathroom. There's even a gold trash can, gold soap bottles, and yeah, I can basically live in this place for the rest of my life. Now, I haven't really tested anything but yeah, the Burj Al Arab is actually not in English, it's in Arabic, and it means the Arabian Tower in English. So I thought I might share a few fun facts about this hotel. Another fun fact is the hotel is about like 1,000 feet tall, I think, and the architect designed it to be in the shape of a sail. I'll share some more fun facts at the end of the video. Anyways, thank you for seeing the introduction, and I'll hopefully give you guys a room tour, and we'll have a look at breakfast and everything. Bye. As you can see, these are the golden pillars in the hotel. Honestly, this looks very unreal, but like I want to concentrate because I'm on an escalator. But like to describe these pillars, they like extend deep beneath the hotel. Oh, and they're pretty golden. And this is all pure gold, and even with the Christmas tree, it just looks even nicer. So, like, this is truly the world's only 7-star hotel. I think in like 1998 or 1999, not sure the year, there was a British journalist who stayed at the hotel, and he loved the experience so much he described it as a 7-star hotel. That's what I think. Don't know what this area is, but features plenty of plush-looking amenities and seats. You have some nice curtains, and yeah. You have this like clothing store or something. Really nice clothing. And you have like a shop, a few shops. And I think these are the elevators. They really nice. As you can see, I'm not sure what this is, to be honest. It just looks incredible. You can even see all the way down below, guys. This place is incredibly tall. And as you can see, this is what This is what the suite looks like. And there's even a second floor to the suite, you guys, with this really lovely looking carpet. Hello. There's a mirror. We're on the upstairs level to the suite. Don't know what this is, but looks very plush and spacious. There's like a blow drying area, closet space. You have like a living room, you have like a bedroom, another space to chill out with family and friends, really plush seats. These are definitely the nicest pillows I've ever experienced. And below, you can see the wonderful sea, as well as the beach. And you also got the pool. Um, you also got this TV. I'm not sure why it's like it. Probably rises up. Um, and to check out the bathroom, trust me, things just get better from here. Better and better. Golden. You're gonna find lots of gold. That's the last time I'm gonna mention that. I'm gonna try not to mention gold as much. A really nice looking shower, lots of knobs, golden, a bathtub which looks very spacious. I could definitely find my mom using this if she were here, which she is. You have this thing which you can use to clean your butt. This is very old fashioned, to be honest with you guys. And then you also have the toilet, and the phone, have a bench which is plush, another mirror. Okay, we got this lovely chandelier, as well as like pattern, nice flooring. And now I am going to check out the downstairs part of the suite. As you can see, another thing to clean your butt, toilet, sink, amenities like towels, soap, tissues, all the stuff that you can need, really. Really nice flooring, a desk space. I definitely find myself doing some homework there. We also have some nice snacks, pastries to indulge with. We have a Pellegrino Aqua Panna. I could definitely find myself drinking these at times. We have a menu, which is pretty useful. Don't know what this is, but well worth checking out, right? Coffee. And I have no idea what this is, you guys. Probably just decoration. But anyways, I don't want to take the time to explore the entire thing. And this looks exactly like what I've seen in the photos. Here is a real photo of the Burj Al Arab, guys. We even got the TV surrounded by gold. And we also got some storage in there. You got a whole living room space. I could easily find myself chilling out here. And each suite is really nice. Even the smallest suite is so nice. I think it's as big as a 3 or a 4 bedroom house. We have the pools below. We have 2 pools. I think we got an infinity pool in the very front. And we got some really nice views down below. As you can see, plenty of restaurants and amenities this place has to offer. I am so impressed right now. We also got a nice chair, table with lots of gold. There's just lots of gold here. Everything is covered in gold. Some plates and a fruit basket. I could easily just find myself eating here. And we also forgot this thing. I think this is this is not a shower. We have a mirror, and don't know what this is. Oh, we have storage. There's storage, and storage. Anyways, that is the room tour of the Burj Al Arab. As you can see, this kind of looks like an apartment, for crying out loud. Much larger than many apartments I've actually stayed in and visited. Honestly, I just love this place from the very beginning. I think I've laid eyes on it. It just looks so real from here. But if you see it in 3D, it really doesn't look unreal. As you can see, this is what the breakfast area at the Burj Al Arab looks like. It's really nice. You could either sit inside or outside, and it's all buffet, though there are some items you can order a la carte, such as Eggs Benedict and avocado toast. There are plenty of good options to choose from at the buffet, from Mediterranean platters to European pastries. I'm not going to show all the options, but these are just some of the vegetables and platters they have. As you can see, you'll also find the traditional pita bread, which is there. There's a great selection of dairy and meat, though the meat selection doesn't really matter to me because I am vegetarian. Indeed, I am. And you'll also find a great selection of fruit. They do have my personal favorite, which is passion fruit. For those of you guys who don't know, I absolutely love passion fruit. There's also watermelon, kiwi, peaches, or nectarines. You don't know which ones they are. You'll also find apples, pears, dragon fruit, and tons more things. I also wanted to highlight that the drink selection there is also pretty good. They have different types of juices like pomegranate and orange juice, and you can also find smoothies and milkshakes. I highly recommend the strawberry, mango, and banana smoothie. It's a highlight. As you can see, this is what the table setup looks like, so I thought I might show you guys. I got myself some veggie dim sum as well as this Asian sauce, as well as some veggie egg fried rice. I got myself fruits, a chocolate chip cookie, and a Russian pancake with raspberry sauce. This looks like great meal, and I'm sure it's gonna be. The fried rice is honestly not the best fried rice I've had, but it's okay. The breakfast was absolutely delicious. It was more like a breakfast brunch. It kind of felt like a brunch because dim sum. It was not the best dim sum, but also not the worst. Definitely good. We had fresh fruit, which is delicious. I have some more dragon fruit right over here. Fresh bread, hummus, pastries. We have sencha green tea. It was really good, really delicious. There are plenty of food options to choose from here at the Burj. I could not highlight them all, unfortunately, but the good news is you guys will be able to enjoy part of it for yourself. I absolutely love the breakfast here, and there is a lovely view of the sea outside, and you can even sit outside. As you can see, this is not a mirror, trust me. There's an inside table. You can also sit outside. There's a beach right by the Burj. Plenty of things to do here, and yeah, that was my review of the Burj Al Arab, which is the world's only seven-star hotel. I thought I might share some fun facts about the Burj Al Arab. It is Dubai's 18th tallest building, which is pretty cool. I think it's about like 1,000 feet tall. Honestly, it's much shorter than what I thought. The hotel has an underwater restaurant, which is pretty cool, though I haven't been there yet because I just got here. And finally, the hotel has over 200 suites, which is pretty cool. And it's also one of the world's nicest hotels. So yeah, that is my review of the Burj Al Arab for you guys. Thought I might share some fun facts at the end of the video. Bye.